Color TV. Color TV machiegni pacho. Ma e odwa.
Nasingo janero mar Kala TV ni kao molo sachiela biro do kai kod weche manyien mago mag ng'end weche. Gin weche go mo kachiel e mesowa mano mar kao weche manyien. Mokwongo kao thuond weche go. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto omiluor makende kod tend piny mano mar Kazakhstan.
As the first president of Kenya to make a state visit to Kazakhstan, I come here with a clear message that Kenya is committed to elevating our partnership.
Jalup jatend piny Kenya Kithure Kindiki owacho ni kwe makende ema dhi konyo piny Kenya.
As we transact our national issues, our national challenges, we must preserve and prioritize national peace and national stability.
Jodak e kaunti ma Siaya okuwa mar mondo mi obi owuog oko ne chenro mar pogo lope kod ndikruok ne lope.
On Monday, 25th to Friday, 29th, please, we request you to come out in numbers. If you have cases where you file for succession matters and you've obtained a grant,
Ibedo koda nyaka giko janero mar Kala TV nyinga Nelly Achieng ndine jaloko mara David Abila. Wedo kanyo ni jatend piny Kenya William Samoei Ruto odichieng mano makawuono ne omi luor makende kod piny mano mar Kazakhstan e kinde mabende ne ochopo e pinyno mano mar timo limbe mare kendo keto osiep mano makare mar neno ni dongruok obedo e kind pinje ariyogo. Ruto ne owacho ni obiro tiyo kod osiep maket koda mano mar kelo dongruok e pacho kae ka achiel kod piny mano mar Kazakhstan.
As the first president of Kenya to make a state visit to Kazakhstan, I come here with a clear message that Kenya is committed to elevating our partnership to a new era of strategic cooperation, shared prosperity, and enduring friendship. Though our nations are separated by geography, we are united by the common aspiration of peace, sustainable development, economic transformation, respect for international law, and a multilateral system that serves all nations fairly and equally. Our engagement today reaffirms not only the resilience of our relationship since the establishment of diplomatic ties in 1993, but also our shared determination to shape a future defined by opportunity, innovation, and mutual progress. In a very sincere way, I want to thank President Tokayev for his gracious invitation and steadfast commitment to strengthening the bonds of friendship between our two countries. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, President Tokayev and I have held candid, very constructive and highly productive discussions aimed at deepening cooperation across a broad array and range of strategic sectors. Together, we reviewed the state of our bilateral relations and agreed on practical measures to unlock new opportunities for trade, investment, innovation, and regional connectivity.
Jalup jatend piny Kenya Kithure Kindiki odichieng mano makawuono ne oriwore kod jotelo mago mamoko anyuola familia ka achiel kod osiepe mar mosenindo Anita Kendi Murungi mano mabende ne obag ne nyasi mano mar alam mogik e od lamo mar The Evangelistic Catholic Church mano mabende yudore buore Nairobi kocha. Kindiki ne otiyo kod thuolo maket koda mano mar chiwo ote mar mogik mar kuyo kod lit ne familia familia kama bende ne otiyo kod thuolo no mano mar kwayo oganda jo Kenya mondo mi ginyakwe e pacho kae.
Life of Anita and Kiraitu's family, it is a good time to reflect about our country, because our nation is formed by the aggregation of the families that constitute the Kenyan people. I want to respectfully request that as we transact our national issues, our national challenges, we must preserve and prioritize national peace and national stability. We take our stability and our peace for granted unless and until when it is taken away. Even for a moment, for a minute, you can see the strain that we put ourselves when our peace, our stability is threatened. We will not agree all the time on all the issues. We cannot agree. We'll disagree on politics, on many issues. But the one thing all of us in government, opposition, and independents, the one thing we must protect jealously is the peace, stability, and cohesion of our country. I want to respectfully request all stakeholders of whatever shade of opinion, of whatever persuasion, to love Kenya more than they love other things, and to preserve Kenya as our homeland. I want to end my remarks by conveying the condolences of President William Ruto, who is out of the country at the moment. The President has been in touch with Governor Kiraitu Murungi directly. He has spoken to him. He has passed his condolences, and he has offered his support directly to the family. And therefore, President Ruto mourns with us. And for those of us who are able to come to Meru on Friday, we will be very happy to see very many of you, because that should mark the final step in the dignified send-off of Anita.
Jotelogo mago mabende siro duond bura mar Jubilee owuok kendo gisayo piny owacho mano mamalo ka giwacho ni pok jokanyono mabende nitiere piny owacho mamalo ochiko itgi ne moko kuom ywaka mago mabende oganda jo Kenya nitiere godo. Ne giloso gi jofwamb weche kama bende giwacho ni migepe mago mopogore opogore pacho kayo kosebed ka itayo e yono makare. Bende ne giwacho kanyo ni ber ka jotelo mago mabende ne oyier e migepe mopogore opogore otiyo ne oganda jo Kenya moloyo siko ka gin giwegi gikwedore akweda.
Is entitled to, na mzee amefanya kazi yake, amepumzika, ako pale huko Ichaweri anaendelea kuangalia mambo ya wajukuu wake. Sasa wewe kazi yako ni kila night you dream you having a nightmare. Unaita Uhuru Kenyatta, you are going to call your wife or your girlfriend Uhuru Kenyatta in the middle of the night. Let's be serious, people. I'm telling you, let's be serious, people. Kenya deserves better. We have been independent for the last 63 years. We are respected in the world, in the region. We're asking our leaders, we are better than, that is why in Jubilee we are saying we are better than this. We would like to change this administration because Kenyans deserve better. Deserve better leadership. And what would we do so that I don't concentrate on negatives only? We would introduce transparency and management of the energy sector differently from what you see these days. We will not engage in conflict of interest. We will not lead a government where we ourselves are doing business in the oil sector. Because in doing that, because of conflict of interest, we will not be able to regulate and manage the sector effectively. We will give an opportunity to all about what we do and accountable about public affairs. If we spend money from the petroleum fund levy or the road maintenance levy, we will tell the public what we have done in that kind of way. And even if we don't tell the public for one reason or the other, we have parliament. Parliament is the representative of the people. Elected members of parliament ought to be told and ought to be explained to everything that is happening by government. Sasa, if they don't trust the rest of us, even with the so-called G2G, why don't they take it to Parliament? Our representatives are in Parliament. I will be very happy and satisfied myself if members of Parliament were taken through all this and all this information was given to members of Parliament. Sasa hii ukora unaendelea hapa ya kuibia nchi ndio imetuleta mahali tumefika. Na wananchi wakiuliza maswali ni kupiga nduru Uhuru Kenyatta. Sasa Uhuru Kenyatta ni chorus to explain everything including your incapacity to deal with things. Finally, the level of insecurity in this country is going out of hand. On this particular one, I am doing because I have an individual and personal responsibility as a former Minister of Interior. The level of insecurity in our country is going out of hand. In rural parts of this country, challenges like livestock theft and so on are on the rise. Homicide cases, cases of rape and the murder of women, femicide is becoming a crisis now in the country. You have noticed in the recent weeks what has happened. Young children raped, killed, and so on and so forth. Please.
Warango weche mag mamoko wayudo kanyo ni riwruok mano mabende ochung'ne kedo ne ratich wakini ka otelnegi kod Federation of Women Lawyers FIDA ochayo malich miwuoro medruok mano mar sand mabende isando godo kit chwech moloyo to jogo mago mamine e pacho kae. FIDA koni cases 35 ewi cases mago mabende romo 70 mago mabende ichwalo negi apisi magi mabende yudore gwenge kaka Nairobi, Kisumu kaachiel kod Mombasa. Itimo kod jowetegi mago mabende nitiere machiegni kodgi. Ginyiso e chwang' margi ni moko kuom yorego mago mabende ne ochuogi mar reso wakeni kod tendre kod kit sand maket koda magi nyaka gie sani pok oketi e tim. Eweche mag mamoko wayudo kanyo ni jodak kaachiel kod jonyuol mago mabende wuok e alwora mano mar sikunde sekondar ma Moi Girls gwenge mago Masindo ne jobago ng'anyo ka bende ne ginyiso ichwang' margi ka otenore kod okang' mabende ne okaw kod duol mano mar TSC mar kelo japuonj maduong' kata principal manyien e sikunno. Jonyuolgo lieko ni principal ma okel manyien no Mary Omwanda nitiere kod kido mano mar siko timo marach e penj e sikunde mago ma otelie. Gikoni sikunno ne nitiere kod mean grade mano mar C- e penj maduong' mar KCSE.
We decry Teacher Service Commission for sending to our new national school a rejected principal who has been rejected from St. Monica Gitwamba Secondary School in Trans Nzoia to be the chief principal of this school. He has not even been a D1, D2, D3, D4, and even D5 chief principal. We are asking TSC, we are addressing TSC, Teacher Service Commission, to take our area not as a dumping ground for failed principals elsewhere.
Kane otelnegi kod Profesa Medo Msama, jonyuolgo ne owacho ni sikul mano mar Moi Girls Sindo no onge kod jalup principal kata deputy principal, gino mabende giwacho ni TSC owinjore olu mapiyo.
We are also concerned that our school for so many years we do not have substantive deputy principals. We are asking TSC to seriously send us 2 substantive deputies who are competent, qualified, and have track record for succeeding in making students go to university.
Negi medo ni principal manyien no hike sani to koro chal kagima osekalo 60 kendo ochiegni dhi e rutaya, gino mabende giwacho ni nyalo bedo achiedh nade e bero wechego mago mag somo e sikunno.
Supposed to retire in October 2026. And we are being sent another already retired a principal to take over from a school that has been upgraded into a national level. This school, it is a common sense. Anybody who has attained the retirement may not be able to give the school the national status it has been upgraded to. And this is the community concern. Therefore, we are giving the Teacher Service Commission another 7 days notice to give us a principal and 2 substantive deputies.
Principals who still have energy, not a retired principal who has reached the age of 61. 61 principal should be playing with the grandchildren at his home area, not to be brought to Sindo Moi Girls National School.
E kaunti Masiaya kocha wayudo kanyo ni jodaka mago mabende wuok e kaunti Masiaya okwa mar mondo migibigi wuog oko ne chenro mano mar ndikro kaachiel kod pogo lope mano mabende osebedo kadhi nyime e kaunti mano Masiaya. Mai wach mabende ne owachi kod jang'ad bura mano maduong' e doho man maduong' Masiaya mano Justice David Kimei mabende ne owacho ni chenro maket koda mano biro bedo kachakore ayanga juma mano makiny.
Because it has been realized that the bulk of the backlog of cases within our courts are made up of succession matters, most of which are contested. They take years and years, but she has seen it fit that instead of the other matters which have no contestations, it is good to allocate a day for them or a week so that the persons concerned will be able to be invited to come to court so that the process can be concluded. As pointed out by our Deputy Registrar here, Honorable Mkala, is that most of these uncontested succession matters are the ones where the family, through the representatives, have filed the succession matters. The same have been cassated, they have followed the due processes. The requisite form number 41, PA 41, has been issued. And what they were required to do was to come back after 6 months of the issuance of that grant, to come back to court for the purpose of confirming the grant, in which case then they will come with their family members, with the schedule of distribution, and then the estate is distributed. From there, the administrator or the administrators will now go and distribute the property of the deceased and come back and inform the court that they have done their task so that files can be closed.
Za cases za urithi, lakini tumejizatiti kama mahakama kuhakikisha tunazipunguza. Kesi 2000 ni zote ambazo zimefailiwa, hizo ni za succession ama kesi za urithi. Lakini vile vile mle ndani kuna zile ambazo tumezifunga na kuna zile ambazo hazijafungwa na wakati wake umefika wa kuweza kufungwa, lakini wananchi wenyewe walio file hawakuji kotini. Vile vile sila, kwa sababu ukishapata form 41 unafaa kusubiri baada ya miezi 6 uweze kuja mahakamani tena for confirmation. Lakini round hii tunasema hata kama miezi 6 haijaisha, lakini hakuna mvurutano baina ya watu ambao wanafaa kurithi, tafadhali kuja na tutakonfirm bora ulipata grant.
Agamumoya kikidhima bora bang thuolo machoka duoka kod weche mag mamoko. Ben kod gombo kata dwaro mar yudo hola mapiyo kaachiel kod kano omenda ni mondo iyud ber kod loyo shida main godo. Kik chunyi chandre. Riwri kod Kenya West Sacco, Kewesa Sacco, mondo mi idongri e yo makare. Chenro ma wachiwo gin kaka Wezesha Loans, mano hola maimi, Savings and Credits Account, Biashara Loans, hola mar timo ohala, Emergency Loans, School Fee, hola mag somo kata puonjo nyithindo. Chenro ma wachiwo gin kaka Kewesa, Membership Card, SMS Alerts, M-Pesa, Call Center matiyo seche 24. Tudri kodwa e namba simu magin 0791 261 0791 261377 kata 07 aboro 00 77 82 0788 0077 082 kata limwa e apisi marwa mayudore Nyamasaria tok Butter Toast Bakery e apaya ma Kisumu kochomo Nairobi mondo mi iyud konyruok kod ler mathoth kaka inyalo bedo achiel kuomwa mondo mi iyud ber mogundho. Wayepo wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 2 okinyi nyaka saa 11 odhiambo. Ka chieng' ngeso wayepo chakre saa 2 okinyi nyaka saa 6 odiechieng'. Jumapil kod holidays duto to waloro apisi marwa. Bende inyalo yudowa e mbui kaka Facebook, Kewesa Sacco, YouTube, Kewesa Sacco, X, Kewesa Sacco, email marwa info@kenyawestsacco.com.
Komuoch to wan kode duoko mag tuke mopogore opogore, jotugo motimogi, kuonde mag timogie, to gin tuke magi mabiro. Mano emomiyo wan ka e chenro mar chal pewe. Tudri kodwa wuok tich nyaka tich abich saa 11 mar midhiambo nyaka saa 12 mar midhiambo. Kama wanyisi motimore e pewe duto mana e Kala TV.
Machiegni kendo wadhi nyime yudo weche mag manyien mag ng'end weche. Wayudo kanyo ni tend county mano ma Siaya osingo mano mar biro siro wechego mago mag pur kaachiel kod pith moloyo to e kind rowere e county mano ma Siaya. Magi weche mabende ne owachi kod gavana mano ma county ma Siaya James Orengo, mabende ne owacho ni gichano mano mar neno ni wechego mago mag pur kaachiel kod uchumi ma county ma Siaya obi osire yono makare. Weche maket kod magi ne osira kod jogo kata jokanyono mago mabende nitiere e sekta no mano mar pur kod pith mawuok e county ma Siaya.
Agriculture is a backbone of our economy, not just in Siaya, but in the entire republic. Yes. In fact, in Siaya, we are struggling to have a transformation in agriculture because for many years, and even now, we are still largely a peasant economy. All of agriculture essentially is for subsistence. We are working hard to change this situation, and I think with the inauguration of Sirio, this is a show or an evidence that we are changing to an agricultural industrial county. There are many sugar mills coming, which are in the offing. In our current budget and the subsequent budget, the next financial year, we hope you are going to work very hard to start the modern cotton industry. So we will continue to work hard because agriculture is a pillar. We have established community-driven committees across all the 30 wards. We've got 30 circles, as we've been told, and 13, for purposes of today, 13 farmer producer organizations who have been onboarded to strengthen farmer institutions and to improve market coordination. Today, we are going to have a presentation of more than 25 million shillings. The groups who are here, some already have that money in their bank accounts. We have established over 120 farmer field school demonstration sites, equipping farmers with practical knowledge in climate-smart agriculture.
Today, we celebrate NAVCDP, which is a World Bank-funded grant project, a partnership between us national and the county. But we understand that the foundation by which we are building on is what this administration has done. Case in point, today we are very proud of Siriwo Rice Mill, and we know that the amount of money that now CDP is going to put there would not have happened if it wasn't for the for the investment that the county during this administration has done.
E kaunti ma Migori en mora ne ilo Achieng ne jowete kata rowerego mabende ntiere kod wer mano mar wer bang' bedo kod studio mano mar timo wer kaluwore kod tiegruok mano mabende ne okel kod Kenya Film and Theatre. Rowere kaachiel kod jopuonj mago mag CBE yangore ni sani to koro biro bedo kod yot ka gitiegore e wechego motenre kod wer kata bero talanta maggi.
I'm a teacher of theatre and film, so this workshop has really helped us with the new CBE training. We are having a new subject, theatre and film, so it's hands-on training. We are being trained on video production, how to manipulate cameras, editing. So I'll encourage teachers who have not come and they are in the theatre and art space to come to the training, which is going on until next week. So far, there's a hub at Rapogi Center. It's a very good resource center where we can bring our students so that they see the equipment that is there. They also get hands-on training because it is important as they are going to join their careers in theatre and film.
Mimi kama naweza sema nimegain a lot sana kwa hii training. Juu unapata like kama sahi dunia ina evolve sana. So unapata kuna chances mtu anaweza kuwa na hizi vitu but hajui kutumia kama artist. Unaweza kuwa una own camera but kuna venye hujui kutumia. Na unajua tu ngoma video ndo pia kitu inaweza fanya mtu aende YouTube promote ngoma yako. So bila video poa pia na feel ingekuwa ngumu sana. Plus hapa pia tumekuja kujua vitu mingi. Like kama actors na artists, jana tumeambiwa that kuna organizations wana support hizi talents. So mtu anaweza waandikia hata maybe nini fulani apply hizo loans na atoe ngoma. So si lazima ukue unasema eti una pesa but unaweza nini. Plus
Kenya Film ko tudorego fees mheshimiwa Nyamita. Osepuonjowa gik mang'eny kendo wagombo ni gimed puonjowa. Tajiwo joma pok obiro ka ni gini ber. Anyalo advise jower wetewa mawinja sama weni ni mondo gibi uriri CDF mondo giyud knowledge mar wer kaka onego bed ni gitimo ka gidhi e studio, gima onego bed ni gitimo ka giwer, gima onego bed ni timo kigolo video. Bi mondo iyud knowledge no nika mondo ing'e mang'eny about wer.
Weche mamoko edo kanyo ni leta kaachiel kod kuyo ne okwako oganda e boma mano mabusia bang' ka bende obila ne ojochielo gi magina ji mago mabende romo ariyo bang' ka bende tulo ne omuoche kind oganda kata jopiny kod obila e sechego mago mabende jopiny mawuok e gwenge mabusia kono ne jomuolo e tesend obila ka gidwaro mar mondo mi obila owe thuolo jal moro mabende ne ondhi.
Alisikia risasi ya kwanza, akatoka mbio kurudi nyumbani. Kurudi nyumbani, akapigwa risasi kutoka nyuma. Side ya chest, side ya heart. On the left side of the heart, from behind. Akapigwa hapo risasi, akaanguka kujua amepigwa risasi. Unfortunately, akasakam. Ndio maana tuko hapa. La tuone the way forward. Papa akakuwa pronounced dead. Kuna mwingine pia anaitwa Teddy somebody. Huyu ambaye maaga hapa nyuma, hii mwili umeona hapa nyuma, anaitwa Fred Odhiambo. Alafu kuna Teddy amepigwa risasi kwa shingo. Pia amekufa, amepelekwa mochari. Kuna mwingine watatu anaitwa Nicholas Odhiambo. Amepigwa risasi kwenye bega na moja ikamguza kwenye uso. So pia wanajaribu contain situation. Nilichukua initiative, nikapigia regional commissioner Mr. Masharia. Wakati sasa zilianza pia nikapigia regional IPOA Mr. Emmanuel. Wakaniambia wanajaribu wawezavyo ili wa reach out hii county commandant. Wakajaribu kumpigia, hakushika simu. So sisi tunasema hivi. Sisi we are ready to die kama jamii.
Okay, Fred kutoka kwake kwa nyumba, ametoka tu kwa nyumba saijaka akiingia hivi town. Anaitwa Fred Odhiambo. Fred mwenye amekufa anaitwa Fred Odhiambo. Ametoka tu kwa nyumba jioni akipita hivi. Dakika kidogo wananipigia simu ati ni kama tunaona mtu. Kufika vile nilikuwa nakuja nilijua amekufa tayari juu kulingana na vile nilielezwa ni kama ameaga. Kufika naambiwa like bado anapumua. Lakini kulingana na mwili yangu hadi niliambia mabeshte wangu sijui chenye inanifanya. Nilikuwa nasikia vibaya sana.
Sisi tulikuwa tumeenda town kwa harakati ya kutoa Chikuze kwa sababu Chikuze pia alikuwa kwa process ya kutoa ndugu yetu ambaye anaitwa Joseph. Na kulingana na procedure za police station hatungeenda watu wengi kwa sababu ile ubina mnajua police station yetu ni ndogo. So tukatuma viongozi wetu wachache waende washughulikie maneno. Baadaye mambo ikarudi ya kwamba Chikuze ameshikwa. So hii Chikuze bado viongozi wakaenda kuintervene. Na wakati ya intervention iko kinyozi moja ilikuwa imevamiwa na machokora ya town. Na hiyo kinyozi bado ni ndugu yetu tu. So kwenda kwa hiyo rescue, kumbe askari walikuwa prepared tayari wakishika Chikuze juu tulipata wamevaa helmets, wamevaa boots, wako ready for war. Na wakaanza kufire live bullets. Unaona? So far sisi tumeconfirm watu watatu. So far ni watu watatu na nataka nikumbushe ndugu.
Nimetoka kwa nyumba, tumekuwa na papa. Tulikuwa members tumekaa. Akatoka, mke wake yuko hospitalini. Akaenda hospitali, kutoka ni Javid alimuita akamwambia kinyozi inavunjwa. Yeye hakukuwa kwa maandamano.
Gikanye madikela giko marmi Wechemanyien maga ngendo weche otieno mano makawuono. Erokamano kuom kawo thuolo mari kendo rango weche market koda magi. Ibedo kod otieno mano majabero. Riti masani nyinga Nelly Achieng ndine jaloko mara David Abila.